Today we are launching the Stellar Talent Search Exam 2022, which is a talent search exam for the students of Goa. All the students from the state of Goa will be taking part for this exam, which will be held in the month of August.
ETSE, which is Stellar Talent Search Examination, through which we conduct the competitive exam, a test throughout the Goa for the student of standard 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. Basically, we give you the platform to come write this exam and find out that what is your standing across the Goan students. Basically, we provide you an opportunity to avail scholarship also. This test will be conducted on 28th of August, which is Sunday, across the all major towns of Goa. You can appear for this test through your school as well as through getting the forms from our executives. You fill the form and appear for the test.
This year we have decided to go in for searching the talent in every nook and corner of the school. All the schools, the headmasters or the principals, to cooperate with our team, wherein we will be receiving your recommendations of those students who are the top 5 students, or you could include even top 10 students in each section.